Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and install Teams on desktop? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Teams download, just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link by Microsoft.com, and now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on download Microsoft Teams for Windows, and it's going to simply go ahead and download the setup right away. Simply go ahead and open your folder and double click on it, so it is going to simply go ahead and start the installation file. Now, once the installation file is going to be started, all you need to do is simply go ahead and accept all the terms and conditions that it provides. So let's just go ahead and wait for it until it downloads Microsoft Teams. So as soon as it downloads, you can simply go ahead and launch it and then head into your meetings right away. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.